Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Handayani. I would like to present my presentation about exploring English as an international language and its implication for teaching English in tourism vocational high school, Kasatrian, Kasunanan PLS. It is a review paper, but I would like to compare and take the strength and the weaknesses of this paper, and then I would like to implement. I would like to tell you about the implication for teaching English in tourism vocational high school in Kasatrian, Kasunanan PLS. Yeah. Okay. Here, according to Cradle 2006, learning English in secondary school was very effective since English has become the common language for international communication in almost all fields, and the world is experiencing a tremendous spread of the language around the globe. Yeah. Here, pass on Cradle explanation. This is why I take tourism vocational high school Kasatrian, because of the student here, the student of hotel. Yeah. The teacher here, or the program of hotel school preparing for student to meet or have to meet the foreigners in every time when they work or they become an intern, because of for some hotel like Lorraine or Sahijaya in Solo, 5-star hotels, now automatically the tourism there very in the tourism. I mean the foreigner come there, yeah, the hotel. So the student here preparing to improve their vocab to face English as an international language in globalization. Yeah. Problem statement here. What is the implication of EIL for teaching English at tourism vocational school, and how is the role of teacher to deliver EIL material for teaching English for tourism vocational school? Discussion here. I took 7 previous study. Number 1 is done by Okri Ronaldo 2016 on his research about teaching material for English in vocational high school. It was found that English teaching material in SMKN 2 Si Junjung never using ESP approach. Yeah. So here Ronaldo want to implement ESP for English vocational high school here. The strength of this research by using ESP was very effective to stimulate students in English. This is the new method. And the weaknesses of this research, the disadvantages of ESP, so many. Yeah. So here teacher have to prepare a lot of time to teach English with this method. And another study done by Kim Hua Tan and friend 2020 about implication of English as an international language for language pedagogy. The study saw the EIL as a means of intercultural communication in a wide range of contexts calls for a reconceptualization of language pedagogy. Yeah? The strength of this research, students know about their culture very well. It was great to teach EIL for students based on culture, but the weaknesses of this research, it was great, of course, but students will be weak of modern spot in English material, such as they cannot cover or they cannot understand about the literature well if the teacher use a culture as a model of the study or that, like that. Okay, the next review study come from Jiangsu on 2018. In addition, this text reviews and examines of EIL unit titled Exploring English as a World Language in terms of its curriculum and materials and pedagogical strategies. It are often argued that TEIL communication during a sort of international context in today's globalized world. The strength of this research, this paper explains detail about EIL as a globalization and show the data specifically. Yeah. You can see the journal and the weaknesses of this research. Even the title was about the curriculum of EIL, include curriculum here, but there is no explanation more. Yeah, the title include curriculum, but there is no explanation more about the curriculum itself. And the next previous study come from Abdullah Kuhn, 2011, spoken about English teachers' attitude toward EIL pronunciation. The strength of this research, this paper explained detail about EIL as a globalization and showed the data specifically, yeah. The weaknesses of this research, even the title was about the curriculum. So here, same as the previous study before, yeah. Here, they want to discuss about the curriculum also, but there is no explanation more. And then the next previous study come from Andre van de Bugel, yeah. This is like a whole name, yeah. 2019. His article reports the deficiencies in qualification and experience of lecture at TVET, Technical and Vocational Education and Training Colleges in South Africa, and the implication of the identified deficiencies. Yeah, the strength of this research. In this research, TVET colleges play an important role in providing a skilled workforce to countries internationally based on the data that the researcher shared. But the weaknesses of this research, even the experience was very important thing that become issue in that paper, but there is no grade of score criterion in specific. So there is no grade, there is no criterion in specific that we can conclude that this is very important like that. And then the next previous study, Vocational Education and Training Programs or VED, an Asian Perspective by Tushar Agrawal 2013. Okay, here makes an attempt to provide a review and challenges, outcomes, and presents the situation in vocational education and training VED programs in some Asian countries. The strength of this research, this paper explained by the writer about government support by VED system, explain clearly about the reason of government supported with the theory and data. But the weaknesses of this research, there is no solution and explanation clearly about the facing the problem resulting from an unskilled workforce. The last previous study here come from Sufi India 2018 about tourism vocational high school student and teacher perception of foreign language in communicative competence and therefore the 21st century skill in Yogyakarta. The strength of this research, the data show the result of the study about student and teacher perception of English as a foreign language clearly, but the weaknesses here even explain the detail about the perception of student and teacher of foreign language in communicative competence, but there is no description about the curriculum that used in their school, the specific material delivered by teacher in the classroom. Here, based on the review above, exploring English as an international language and its implications for teaching in tourism vocational high school can be reduced by the writer that for tourism vocational school program, English was very important to learn to face the globalization of language as a communication. As a hotel or guide student, the implication of EIL are a supported knowledge for students to face the globalization since English as an international language. Yeah. It will be better for students to prepare their vocab now, sociolinguistic to communicate with native speaker. Okay, and then the implication of EIL hotel student that we can in hotel Kasatrian, yeah. The implication of EIL for students study look by they understand about the symbol caution, notice, warning in all around hotel area. Because the adjective of hotel little bit different with the culture of this country. For example, the word president room not only about the for president room for president, no, but this is the most complete facilities in the hotel room. Yeah. For example, here there is a kitchen, dining room, living room, etc. So this is the most completed room. So we call them president room. That was we call the standard of hotel room. And the role of the teacher here as a mediator to deliver the EIL well to students by choose suitable curriculum, nice media, and more practice through conversation in English with their student in the classroom during lesson or outside the class. For example, you have to try to speak comfortably with your student outside the class with saying good morning or with saying or try to code switching or code mixing in every conversation for daily conversation like that. Okay, that's all about my presentation about the exploring English as an international language and its implication for teaching English in Tourism Vocational High School Kasatriyan Kasunan Palace. Thank you for the attention. I do apologize for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.